For this time, like all of us need to really talk about the insecurity we saw for this country. Make we no go dey look and say, okay, never reach our family. She now want to reach one of our members, now we will start to talk. Ẹja jí o. Ogun ti wọ̀lú o. Wọ́n ti pa àwọn brother, wọ́n ti pa àwọn mi, wọ́n ti pa àwọn daddy, wọ́n ti pa àwọn àbúrò yín. Ṣé ìgbà tó bá pa everybody tó ń kẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀? Make everybody talk o.
All the Christians, rise up, wake up, rise up. If I stop any church building, any church project, stop them. Raise donation, do harvest, raise donation, buy gala, guns, knock shots. If the bandit come for you, go for them. Knock shot, buy Medan, go Medan, turn everything to back by Yama. Make the body surplus.
Nigeria will not win this war if we don't employ the service of people that have no ties, like America, to come and help. I have a guy on Twitter that said, he said his fellow soldiers shot him because he was killing too much Boko Haram. He said he was killing their brothers too much. How do you win when your fellow person that is a soldier, that you are carrying the same gun to go and fight, is angry that you are killing, you that you are Christian, that you are killing Muslims too much? How do you win it? There are military generals that are enjoying this insecurity, they are enjoying it. They don't want it to end. There are people that they call NGOs in Yobe, in Damaturu, in Borno, that they say they are doing NGO work. And they are maintaining, they want it to come because they get their funding from international organizations.
Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà gbọ́dọ̀ wá ń kọjú sí báyìí, ṣé ọ̀rọ̀ yóò láti di wọ́wọ́wọ́ báyìí? Ó ti di wọ́wọ́wọ́ o. Ìwọ tó bá sùn ni kò sùn, àwọn tó ti jí o. Ẹ ṣáà rí pé gbogbo àwọn yẹn ti ń pariwo, ẹ lọ ra bọ́n o, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ dira, ayé ti kọjá pé àwọn kan gbé K47 dání, àwọn kan gbé ṣakabùlà dání, àbáwọn kan mú catapult dání, wọ́n ní kí gbogbo church ẹ lọ raise fund o, ẹ gbà gbogbo church project, wọ́n ní kẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí raise fund kó ní ká kúrò àbọ̀, because àwọn ọmọ church gan pọ̀ gan, àwọn church member mi gan 70,000, church member mi gan 80,000, ní kẹ́yìn 80,000 kẹ́ lọ ra bọ́n. Wàhálà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Bàbá wòlíì ti fohùn lẹ̀ o, wòlíì ti fohùn lẹ̀ gidigidi gan. Ó ní President Ayọ̀délé ní tí Tinubu bá mọ̀ pé àwọn ò lè ṣèjọba yìí, kó jẹ́ kí ẹlòmíì ṣe o. Wọ́n ní kí Tinubu lọ resign o. Tinubu láti resign o. President Ayọ̀délé ti bínú yankanyanrin tán. Wọ́n ní nǹkan tó bá fi lè mú Donald Trump wá láti ìlú míì láti wá máa ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́, ìwọ president ìlú kan, ààbò ìlú yẹn ló jẹ́ lógún. Any president tó wà any country, you are meant to protect the lives and property of the citizen, but tó o bá lè ṣe tó pé another president ló máa wá help ẹ, then leave the post. Tó bá ṣe leave the post. Òun ni President Ayọ̀délé wá ń sọ, but àwọn aráàlú wa ti fárígá báyìí, wọ́n ní kẹ́ everybody, wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ dira o, kò ń ṣe dira onífúnpá o, wọ́n ní kò dira kẹ́ lọ ra AK-47, because táwọn àbókí ìgan máa mọ̀ pé ìgan lé AK-47 lọ́wọ́ wọn ní súnmọ́ yín. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àgbẹ̀kùnrin àlàyé lẹ́nu President Ayọ̀délé.
Then if America should come and assist us, why can't Tinubu resign? Meaning that you are not capable.
Oh yes.
That's it. Let him resign. This is not a fight of Muslim or Christian now. I am talking about fight of Nigerians.
Yes, sir.
Killings. You know this place, when TSS give police a big military, said, okay, in 30 minutes so thing is going to happen. Why can't they stay there? And after something happens, they move. Oh my God. They're supposed to sack the chief of army staff immediately. Is that saying that we are trying our best? When did you become chief? Have you spent 2 months, 3 months? No, you are still studying situations. Let's use common sense. Nigeria is in pains. Forget about it all. And the president have not seen from that direction. That looking at it today, the government is getting weaker. We must be sincere. Don't travel. Stop all campaigns now and face insecurity squarely. Let's forget political entertainment. Kudos to the governor of Taraba State. He stopped his defection from PDP to APC. That have shown a good governance. So likewise, anybody must not do any campaign until we end insecurity. This insecurity can stop us not to have election 2027.
Very well, sir.
there may be no election.
Oh yes.
If we don't fight insecurity. You are the #1 president of Nigeria. Call your service chief. You don't sleep. No, this hunter agency, forest guard, let them go inside bush completely. All 36 states, let them be there. Give them sophisticated ammunitions to fight. The governors, they are the first chief security of the state.
Yes, sir.
Tell the chief security there must be no problems here. Chief of army staff must not sleep. Chief of defense staff must not. Everybody must be relocated. See, when you want to do election, there's a helicopter that will be going to manage, to watch where there's crisis. Abi, yes, what does it take Nigerian government to deploy a helicopter to all these dark spots? Let them be working 24/7. Am I making a point?
Very well, sir.
I have told this government, put CCTV in all the bushes. I don't know, is it not where I told them since last year? Did they do it? No. No. Genocide is in everywhere.
Very well, sir.
If you don't want to listen to us, listen to the DSS. Otherwise, hey, there's fire on the mountain. Nigeria is sitting on a time bomb. That is the honest truth.
Yes,
people are not happy. People are going with fear.
Yes, sir.
Go to the states where there's insecurity.
Yes, sir.
You can't assemble like this now.
Oh yes.
You can't.
Very well, sir.
ẹ̀yin tèmi òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ̀ yín support ìjọba burúkú tó yẹ pé àwọn èèyàn sọ́fà ìgan kọjá ti tẹ́lẹ̀ ká tó sọ ká tó wẹ̀yìn kan máa ṣí file ìgbà Jonathan ni ìgbà Buhari ni gbogbo èèyàn tó fẹ́ wọlé yìí mọ̀ kó gbogbo wàhálà yìí wà ńlẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń responsible fún. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment down below. Let's go to the commercial.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yín òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni lórí ọmọ ni lórí iṣẹ́ ni níbi gbogbo ni bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70 25 47 5427 bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.